Streamjom minn fuq li naraw fuq internet naraw l-istedda. Di l-kamera u di l-idea issa l-ewwel konferenza għandha sistema biex tikkastifika l-informazzjoni madwar qed jara jirnexxi biex jikkonnettja fuq YouTube mas-sistema u jitloqha television portier tiegħu mal-manjer dak jista' jara l-opening u jara x'inhu jiġri hawnhekk. Dik il-linja se jirnexxilux storja. Issa jidher li qabad hemm għax ġiex user sawjien u naħsebu.
Mela, nipprova nniżelek.
Jiena meta aħna tellajnija apposta ħallek jiġi xi ħadd quddiem ma naqa' twil. Ma jattinix.
Alright, il-timer s-samra.
Le, di, tellajnija ħarira. Ħalli biex jekk timxi ma reġib x'ismu batteri. Għalek, x'ismu? Aħna 720.
Sure.
upstairs as well. Madame de Bray de Montbriand, peanut salad. Madame de Bray de Montbriand. But we got the
Comment ça va? My French is
Sorry.
Quand on était facile. The planning orders for the past, let's say, 4 or 5 months.
Yes, I can imagine.
Celebrate all the disciplines and monsters. We have upstairs, and we will take the tour. But there will be as well an award ceremony, right? Started at 8 o'clock. And there will also be a screening of the best works. Together, I'll tell you, there will be a performance arts. And there's a meet the artist session when they place here. So quite an event. We wait for this and also I'm French. Okay. So please put up the word.
Give me my card if you want. Yeah. May I? Okay. I put everything in again.
Take your time.
I would need also.
Yeah, sure.
But you know, it's a French.
Is it the USB-C? Alright, yeah, it's USB-C. Yes, it did. It did extremely well. Extremely well.
Last year was good,
But this year was much better. Much better. Had a lovely Q&A with Maxime Chambon, someone with a flat. Nice to see you.
this evening I will go to the dance spectacle from Festival Malta.
Yeah, I'd like to go, but my students' work showing upstairs, so
That's at 9 o'clock, but anyway, you have to stay.
I know we're here. I mean, the stream starts at 8, so
Yes,
done by
that's-
10.
end, what is because I had to leave before. At the end of the film, what is it? It's always the same, or there is an end, showing.
There is an end, literally.
Yes.
For him, it's the book of Genesis in reverse.
Okay.
It's an anti-Genesis.
Okay. What went before? What was going on
Well,
before in Turin? And when he came back to the farm, it was already done with Nietzsche.
Oh.
No.
Nietzsche is there between the lines.
Yes,
But
I
for
know.
him, Nietzsche's phrase that God is there. He actually, the film ends in darkness. So it's like the Genesis in reverse. So starting with darkness and now with light, it goes
But
backwards.
when we see at the beginning, when we see the man coming back, it was after. No, we don't know.
Not strictly related to tourism, no.
But
Yes, in a way. You
in a
could
way,
say that.
in a way.
Because the question that started the film was, what happened to the
No, but wait, what happened? Why is
They had to use two horses at once. He wanted one horse that moved and managed to find it. Animal market ordered from Hungary and they knew the horse that could actually move there. So they had two horses that looked more or less the same. One that had no problem and one that was
the day before I went to my film, no time,
someone had mentioned
in a way,
checking that it's working.
that you are filming.
Yeah, because this camera is sending automatically.
artists' most accomplished. This year, the event specifically accommodated within Spazio Creativo, once as forum. While showcasing learners' work is of value within most educational settings, it is especially important within the context of the creative arts. Creative work requires an audience. Though often reflexive and introverted, it nonetheless connects. And Spazio Creativo, Malta's National Center for Creativity, provides an appropriate context for that. Spazio Creativo facilitates connection between graduates of the various programs and stakeholders in the outer world, both local and international, at an important junction in the students' lives. I must mention that a soft transition to the industry characterizes the approach taken by the Institute for the Creative Arts before reaching this point, whether by job shadowing, placements, apprenticeships, or live cases with stakeholders in the industry, who I here salute and thank for their priceless contribution to the formation of our learners. ICA's approach connects the learning environment to real life in the working world. Whereas last year it was Valletta, then European Capital of Culture, that connected the various departments of the Institute, this year Spazio Creativo is bringing us together under the same roof. We can appreciate outcomes of programs in fine arts, photography, graphic design, interactive media, game art and visual design, creative media production, journalism, cultural narrative skills, fashion and retail, product design, and spatial design. Although the basis of the festival is a collective exhibition, which has acquired an identity over the years, it presents students as distinct, with their own unique identity. Though formative processes have been similar, outcomes are clearly different and distinguishable. These are the underlying principles of this year's edition of the ICA Festival, which bears the name Distinct. The concept and accompanying aesthetic are the work of our final year students of the BA program in graphic design. They ensured homogeneity through branding. This was further complemented by the curatorial design carried out by final year students of the spatial design and product design degrees. Once again, we witnessed connection. Connection, even though each individual student product is distinct. And this takes us to the importance of working in teams, as a community. The ICA Festival would certainly not have been possible were it not for teamwork, with all its challenges. It would not have materialized had each individual only looked at his own separate part. Thus, communicate the important values of honesty, perseverance, humility. The festival experience also gives value to other significant aspects, which make us the distinct individuals that we are. Values that enable us to live effectively within a community. These include support, encouragement, and above all, respect. We are therefore here to celebrate these values too. We celebrate them with all stakeholders who in one way or another have helped form the identity of our students and collectively also this festival. I will begin with our partners and sponsors for this festival and academic year, which include Arts Council Malta, Spazio Creativo, Heritage Malta, Studio 7, the Broadcasting Authority, JD Stores, Tully, the US Embassy, MINI, the Tomas Fenech Foundation for Education and Journalism, Havantech, Fallon, Hudson, the Malta Community Chest Fund, FIN, ICA Deputy Directors, the ICA Festival team, and other collaborating bodies, and last, but certainly not least, the students and their parents, guardians, and friends without whose support this would not have been possible. Thank you. To give us some insights on this year's edition of the ICA Festival as a tangible outcome of the Memorandum of Understanding between Spazio Creative and Lemnos.
Back in 2014, together with the appointed artistic director, Dr. Tony Sand. The team of coordinators, including myself, helped to create new factors around the artistic vision, such as working with a visual strategy, introducing the element of all the proposals, targeting creative projects, and coming up with a viable program which consists of various artistic elements. We also make sure we create opportunities for project leaders with the use of collaborations with other organizations and creators. Art is a relative term which keeps societies connected to a greater expression of themselves. It is the path of emotional freedom and exists in everything we do. Spazio Creative wants to be at the forefront of enriching the minds by acting as a catalyst for all forms of expression. This has led us to create memorandums of understanding with public entities, as well as a number of collaborations, agreements which help facilitate the Spazio Creative vision. These memorandums of understanding serve to familiarize and strengthen collaborations and strengthen our long-term framework to reach a common goal. The memorandum of understanding between Spazio Creative and MCAS facilitate the ICA Festival, showcasing work of students from the Institute of Creative Arts. The results of years of research and study are carefully curated into a show portraying each student's work. Each year, these exhibitions prove that young minds continue developing contexts of a growing contemporary art sector in Malta and Malta. This being said, the element of continuity is evident and evident in each student's work, which enhances the festival's contribution and coordination within the sector. I am confident that in the years to come, MCAS will continue to scale new heights and continue to be an inspiration for many aspiring professions. Art can help change our future, and the future of our society lies in the hands of inspiring young people. Young people who can innovate, cooperate with others, remain resilient, and are able to rise up to the challenge. I wish to congratulate the students involved in their hard work. I also wish to thank all lecturers, along with the director of the Institute for the Creative Arts, for a very successful festival. Thank you. Please welcome Ms. Marianne Kauki, Director, Public Instruction. Eccellenza, onorevoli, mistednin, sinti fossom il-team amministrativ, il-team ta' tmexxija tal-MCAS, u ma jistax nħoss l-studenti u anke il-lecturers. Kemmejn din il-kollaborazzjoni bejn il-Kunsill Malti għall-Arti u l-MCAS ICA ilha eżistenti. L-għajnuna montija tifforma parti mill-Istrateġija 2020, magħmula minn 5 pilars li huma d-diversità u komunitajiet, internalizzazzjoni, edukazzjoni, żvilupp tal-intrapriża u anke riċerka. L-ICA rinfajt huwa eżempju ċar ta' prattiċi
partiċipanti, organizzaturi u kull involut matul dan il-festival li ċerta li mhumiex ftit dawn il-gruppi. Kif għedu bl-Ingliż, hard work pays off. Keep it going. U din hija bidu irrid ngħid anke ta' era ġdida kollaborazzjoni bejn il-Kunsill Malti għall-Arti u l-Enpas għaliex ovvjament il-kollaborazzjoni nissapportjawkom dak huwa ħsieb li nilqgħu. Grazzi. For a few words, we followed by Honorable Christian Rima, Parliamentary Secretary for Youth, Sport and Culture Organizations, who will give this concluding speaking over the address. Thank you.
Dr. Rima, Mr. Emeritus, Dr. Mussolinici, President of the College, when Martina gave me this catalog this morning, two ideas crossed my mind very quickly. The first, I was thinking about what Albert Einstein once said. He says, in theory and practice are the same. In practice, they are not. But he hasn't visited this exhibition because he would have said, theory and practice could be the same. Because when I browsed through this catalog here, this is my second idea here, I was impressed. It belies the size of the Institutes of Creative Arts. We are talking about 900 students. We are looking at an institute which is not huge in its size, but yet the ideas that you can find here are impressive. And I really want to not just congratulate Martina, her managers, the lecturers, the students, the 200 students who have contributed to this exhibition. But this is evidence how distinct MCOST is. And now we have evidence that MCOST itself is really a distinct organization, institution, and also. A few days ago, we discovered, it's the statistics, but it's a very encouraging statistic that says that those students who finish secondary education and have access to post-secondary education, mainstream post-secondary education, 30% of those who succeed are making MCOST a first choice. This is the best news that I've heard over these last 1 year and 34 days that myself and President Schembri have been at MCOST. It is encouraging because MCOST is offering a different type of educational training. This is a celebration of talent, it's true. A celebration of creativity, that is very true. But we are giving young people a future in the labor market. At the end of the day, you can be an artist, you can be a poet, you can be whatever you are. At the end of the day, you need to earn a living. And this is what MCOST is all about. We connect the world of education and training, the world of talent, the world of creativity, with the world of employment. And we are proud of doing this. And the activities at the college are growing by the minute, if I can say so. Myself and the President, over these last 24 hours, we have been into 3 different distinct activities. With migrants, with international students. 70 nationalities are now present at MCOST. Over 651 international students. And I said to the migrants yesterday, this is what really makes MCOST the 21st century college that the country deserves. And therefore, I would like to thank also my colleagues who have really worked hard, getting all the students and all the lecturers to produce this is no easy feat. So I am really proud
to be heading this institution together with the president and deputy principals and all the rest of the staff, because this is what makes our country proud, but this is what makes the future of our country, because creativity is part and parcel of what identifies us as Maltese among many other bigger nations. So thank you to Martina, to your team, to whoever has contributed to this exhibition. And let's make sure that we pass on the message that between the 22nd of July and the 4th of August, we will open up a new enrollment process for more students to join us. I wish to encourage parents and more secondary school students to really make MCAS their first choice, because whatever you do at MCAS, this is a guaranteed road to employment. Thank you very much. This is the catalog of what we can actually see here. Thank you so much.
Studenti u anka ġenituri. Kull meta nirċievi stedina mill-istitut ejja nara illi nagħti s-servi għajżajr il-mużajr. U dan nagħmlu minħabba il-fatt illi nemmen illi l-MCAS ġew pajjiżna qed jaqdi rwol funzjoni kruċjali. Għad ħafna nisma' il-kelima ta' qabli waqt self-referenza għal numru ta' studenti li qegħdin jażlu li jkomplu l-istudju tagħhom ġewwa l-MCAS kien hemm ħafna referenza għal kollaborazzjoni. Kollaborazzjoni li tant hija importanti, tant hija essenzjali sabiex jkiseb suċċess. Is-suċċess ta' kull sistema edukattiva x'inhu ejja jumel ninsew is-satisfazzjoni. Suċċess huwa meta tara illi l-istudent umiru ġej minn huwa background ġej jiżviluppa mod sieħ. Hemmhekk kun qed tagħti ċertifikat, kun qed tieħu l-aqwa ċertifikat illi l-istudent tajbu l-għodda neċessarji sabiex biex niftehmu fuq il-bank tal-iskola jkun jista' jimxi fil-ħajja reali, fil-ħajja tal-barra. U hemmhekk ikun jista' jibni ħajja għalih mad-dawk ta' madwar. Jiena ejjin naqbad din kollha. Li jekk jkollu jaqbad naqbad għad-dinja, jkollu jaqbad globu. U jkun konservat li jgħidu ta' pajjiżi illi għandna studenti ġejjin hemmhekk ħajkollu biċċa xogħol pjuttost komplikata biex jagħmlu kien għax għandna studenti ġejjin minn pajjiżi differenti. U dan huwa ċertifikat tal-kwalità edukazzjoni illi tingħata ġewwa l-MCAS, edukazzjoni illi hija tajba, edukazzjoni illi hija sieħa, edukazzjoni illi tgħin l-iżvilupp sieħ tal-persuna. Ħares il-qudiem għal-aktar avvenimenti bħal dawn nagħmel referenza għalikom l-istudenti u ngħidilkom grazzi tax-xogħol illi tagħmlu, grazzi tal-li intom eżempju anke għal dawk li huma tal-età tagħkom u anke dawk li huma kbar minnkom f'età. Tesprimu dak illi tħossu u prattikaw da illi ta' fih, ġifieri intom eżempju li ringrazzjakom tal-qalbi u nirringrazzjakom sabiex dawn il-ġranet li jkollkom suċċess, nawguralkom għall-futur u perswas ħafna nkomplu nisimgħu aktar il-qudiem li ringrazzjakom.
So the facility is now open. There are a number of events which will be taking place this evening at 7:30 in this area. There will be a fashion show. There are black lines marking the catwalk, so if you can stay outside those black lines, it would be great. At 8 o'clock, there are 3 concurrent events taking place towards media students.